Guys, let's know about object in JavaScript. Object is like a variables inside a variable. Or we can say object. An object is a special type of variable that can store multiple values or variables inside it. Let me give you a real life example. Your car is like an object because your car has properties like color, model, name. Let's make an object. At the first, you have to write keyword, let or constant. I want to write let. After that, you have to give a name for your object. For example, I want to give a name color for my object. After that, you have to write parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you have to write your properties. For example, my car has a name, BMW. My car has a model, 2025. And my car has color. My car color, I think black is good. Now let's call our object. How we can call our object? We can call our object like this, console.log. You have to call your object by object name. First, you have to write your object name. After that, you have to put dot, and after that, you have to write properties. Which properties do you want to call? For example, I want to call my car color. Now let's see. Yes, my car color is black. Now let's add my car name also. Car.name. Now let's see. My car color is black. My car name is BMW. Now let's know how we can delete and update a property inside of our object. We can delete a property inside of our object like this, delete. After that, you have to write object name dot. For example, I want to delete my car name. Now the name property doesn't exist inside of my car object. Let's see. Yes, my car color is black and my car name is indefinite because the name property doesn't exist anymore inside of my object. How we can change a property? We can change or update our property like this. Car.color equal to, I want to change black into blue. Now let's see. Yes, my car color now is blue. And now let's write a function inside of our object. We can write a function like this. First, you have to put a name for your function. For example, I want to put x. After that, you have to write function, parentheses, and brackets. Inside the brackets, you can write return this dot model, this dot color. Now let's call our function. You can write car. First, you can write the name of your object. After that, you put dot. After that, you have to write your function name with parentheses. Now let's see. Yes, my car model is 2025 and my color car is blue.